How to transfer crypto from stake to Binance. So to transfer cryptocurrency from stake to Binance, you'll first need to ensure your stake account has the crypto you want to move. And then you'll need to generate a deposit address on Binance. Then you copy that address and then initiate a withdrawal from your stake account to the Binance address. So here's a detailed step-by-step guide. So first, generate a deposit address on your Binance. So simply just log into your Binance account, go to your wallet, select the deposit, and choose a cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and then it will generate a unique deposit address for that cryptocurrency exchange. So make sure you note that network and then copy it. Then you can initiate a withdrawal from stake. Simply just log into your stake account, locate the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, initiate a withdrawal or transfer, enter the amount you want to transfer, paste the deposit address that you generated on Binance, and double check if the address is correct and the other details before confirming the transaction. Then lastly, you want to confirm and wait for the transaction, and then Stake will confirm the transaction and initiate the transfer on the blockchain. You can also monitor the transaction on the blockchain to confirm its progress and completion. And once the transaction is completed, the cryptocurrency will be deposited into your Binance account. And that is how you transfer crypto from Stake to Binance.